Good morning, guys. So today we are going to be hiking in Silvermine, which is located above Lakeside, between Lakeside and a suburb called Nuruk. We're at the top of the pass and we are basically going to be walking throughout the reserve, which still is kind of closed to the public at the moment. It's open, but you can't park. So we've parked on the opposite side and are going to walk into the reserve itself and do a route that I've never done before. I've done all the sections of it, but I've never done all of the sections in one go. So kind of new for me, but not really new for me. And we're going to be going past a nice dam, and then we're going to get some nice views, and then we are going to go down the river, where we should hopefully see some water still flowing from all the rain that we had 2 weeks ago, and then return back to the cars. Hope you enjoy this one, and it is going to be around about 9.5 kilometers. I'm not sure what that is in miles, but I'll put down how long that exactly is. And we're looking at around about 3.5 to 4 hours with lunch included. So today we're going to go through that gap there, in the middle of the screen, head up in the middle of the screen up there, not that big mountain, but the one to the right. And then we're going to walk all the way along the Crags, which is the skyline, and then back down and towards the river, which is below us right now. Right, so one of the many questions I get asked is, where did this beach sand come from? The fact of the matter is, it's not beach sand. It's Table Mountain sandstone in its finest form. So all those rocks up there eventually end up looking like that. So that is rock over millions and millions of years. It has rain and water wearing it down. So all these rocks you see here eventually end up looking like that. So the next time you see white sand, it's bleached like this because of the weather and the sun. It is because it's not beach sand. Right, that's it guys. Until the next one. Stay safe.